In a jolt to Mamata Banerjee government in West Bengal, the Supreme Court has today ordered CBI inquiry into the multi-crore Sharda scam and similar cases in the state. The court also asked the CBI to investigate chit fund-related scam cases in Odisha and other states including Tripura and Assam. A bench of Supreme Court said that the aspects of interstate ramifications and the larger conspiracy angle required an in-depth probe by the CBI. It directed the state agencies to assist the CBI in its probe.
Supreme Court has said that this investigation should be entrusted to CBI for the reason that West Bengal police has not been able to look into all the aspects of investigation in this. Since it's one of the largest scams of this year, 2013-14, it involves about 10,000 crores of rupees of poor people, of kisan, mazdoor, rah chalte logon ka, these taxi walas, rickshaw walas, and also of some business people. And it appears that there is a quid pro quo also. This money has been given to political parties. There is a quid pro quo also. Some of the members who are involved in this, they have been nominated to Rajya Sabha. So it creates a lot of suspicion that there appears to be a quid pro quo in this. And its trail is spread to various states. It's spread to Assam, Odisha, Tripura, Manipur and other states also. Therefore, West Bengal police is not the proper police to investigate into it. Therefore, it has been referred to CBI.
On the other hand, the TMC government has alleged political motivation behind the demand for CBI probe. Mamata Banerjee's party has been under immense pressure as some of the TMC leaders have come under the scanner of Enforcement Directorate recently for their alleged links with Sharda. Enforcement Directorate, which is probing the matter, has arrested Sharda promoter Sudipta Sen's second wife and son for alleged money laundering. Sen and suspended TMC MP Kunal Ghosh are already behind the bars.
If the CBI finds the involvement of whosoever and howsoever high he may be, the law will reach to him, investigation will reach to him.
So is there any particular political leaders or something?
No, we have not. We have only said that there is a suspicion of TMC's involvement in it, but court has not commented on that.
Powered by NNIS.